normal people fly.
This is much more fun.
We'd be in a pool right
road
now,
trip.
chilling. Yeah, look at these roads in Virginia. Crazy. How much snow that is. They don't know what to do in Virginia with all this snow. They're gonna be shut down for a week, the whole state. Yet we keep getting through it. And there's a lot of snow on this highway. I don't know if you can tell. There's a lot of snow. Looks like an upper state New York main road, right? Alright, we're still alive.
So I'm in Georgia now. This is what my van looks like. I don't know. It is completely covered in dirt. My rims don't even look like rims. Look at the... It doesn't come off.